Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Varo Bank account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for Varo Bank. Then we're going to click on the first link that pops up. Then as you can see, this is their official website. We're going to click on Get Started. So here we're going to fill in our email, our US mobile number, as well as we're going to create a password based on their requirements. So once we're done, we're going to verify that we're human on the CAPTCHA. Then next, we're going to click on Join Today. So this is how you create your Varo Bank account. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I would see you again. Goodbye.